Something's wrong here. I cannot get this open. Okay, 11. Nothing in there. It is November, and what does that mean? Advent calendar time. I am so excited because Target came out with 2 advent calendars for $20 a piece. So this is the beauty one. I did order the skincare one, and that should be here, I think, in a day or two, because I just ordered it today. I didn't know they had 2 of them. I do these every year, and I can't wait for them. I really, really love these advent calendars. If you want to see what's in here and hear my thoughts and opinions, keep on watching. We have 2 co-hosts today. We have Miss Aura that's laying on the floor right there. And then we have Miss Akira right here.
And here we go.
I have not filmed. I said this in every video. After this video, I know I keep saying it, the vlog should already be up, the little table talk, but I'm going to talk about where I've been and all of that. So check out my vlog channel, Just Anne's World, even if you just want to get to know me on a personal level. We do vlogs, car vlogs, we go shopping, we do walk and talks, all that jazz. So it says it's valued over $86. So, without further ado, let's get started. You will start with number 1 right here.
It's about damn time. It's about damn time.
These are always so hard to start. Once you start getting the hang of it, it's good. But let me know if you guys get advent calendars. Do you like advent calendars? You know. What in the heck is going on? Something's wrong here. This must have fell or something. What in the world? I can't even make this up. Look, there's nothing but plastic. I don't know what happened. I don't know if this is the right one or not. We shall see. But I think the first one is this nail polish, and this is absolutely beautiful. This has to be full size, I think. It's a chrome color. 127 Copper Crush. Ooh, let's do a little swatch on my thumb. I don't usually do anything to my nails, but I do paint my toes. Oh, that's pretty. That's just one coat, but at least you can see the color. You know what? I'll do this too so you guys can see. There is the color right there. It's very pretty. I like that. Nice and shiny. I know. I know a 3-year-old could do better than me. Let me just take that off. I'm going to get it everywhere because it's not dried. Number 2 is down here. What in the... I don't know what this is. It's shaped as a bow. But what is that? When I looked it up, I guess it's like a phone suction, I think. I have no idea. Let me get a little closer. I don't know what you can see. It's just like a bunch of... I don't know. I don't want to open it, and this looks like it's sticky, where you would stick it somewhere. I don't know. Okay, let's move on. Number 3. Where you be? Okay, this is number 3 right here. I still can smell that smell of nail polish. Ooh, this is definitely full size. What are you? This is from Revlon, a lip oil. Ooh, it has glitter. It says, well, glimmer. That is gorgeous. Okay, this is nice. I like that. Okay, number 4. These are much harder than what I can remember. Okay. Ooh, look at this. A full-size mascara. Are you kidding me? This is only $20. This is from Wet n Wild. Okay, because I'll definitely try this. So let me open this up. Once you open the mascara, you only have 3 months to use. Even if you don't even use it and close it back up, because once the air gets in there, that starts the starting time. So you know, it's like I can only use this until January. So anyway, there we go. I'm excited. Okay, there we go. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, 1, 2, 5. 4 was here. 5 is a big one. What'd you be? Oh, this looks like it's full size too. If I can get you out. What in the world? Look at that. That's from Elf. This is, ooh, a halo, a beauty one. I wanted to try this. Okay, this is a blush, not a highlighter. In the shade Candlelit, I think that says. I really wanted to try this. So it's a blush. Let's see. What in the world was that? All right, so that's what it looks like. All right, so it has a sponge tip. We just turn that to unlock it. Let's see the color. Okay. Oh, okay, you don't need to squeeze it that hard, okay? Don't do what I did. You don't, all right, I took probably half the tube away. Look at that. That's the, it's not my liking, to be honest with you, as a blush. And it's definitely too light for a bronzer, and it's too dark for a highlighter. I don't know. This has a little tiny bit more pink on camera. That's what it's showing. But I'll see if my daughter, if she likes this color. All right, what's next? 6. Where you be? It's down here. Where the heck do you open it at? Oh my gosh. I cannot get this open.
Much later.
So this is when I definitely realized something's wrong. As I was opening up the other numbers, you know, the days, I realized like the products wasn't matching up with like the doors or the windows or what have you, whatever it's called, as I was opening. But I thought, let's just keep moving on and go with it. But this, day number 6, is when I finally had the something's wrong moment. I see what they did. This was in backwards. I just took everything out, so I know what's in here. It was in backwards. That's why I couldn't tell. So everything was wrong, what I just told you with the numbers. Oh my God. Of course it would be me. And I don't look to see. What was I thinking? Why didn't I look? Now everything goes to... I don't know how I'm going to do this now because... All right, I'm just going to pull out... I don't even know. I'm just going to pull out everything that's in here. This is the worst advent calendar unboxing I've ever did. So, number 5 would be this lip thingy. That's why the packaging looks so big. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is an ornament. It's a lip ornament. So... I don't want to take it out because I don't want it to break and then it get lost. But that's gorgeous. Oh, it says lip ornament on there. I am so beside myself. Like, you can't redo this. I can't put everything up and redo it. I can't because it's... I don't even know. This would have been number 1 for sure. So this is 5. This is number 1. I love these. We get these in the Walmart beauty boxes that are seasonal. It's $7 every 3 months. But we see these in the Target beauty boxes as well. This is a Lumify. So if your eyes are red or pink, if you're tired or if it's irritated, you just put some drops in there and they whiten up your eyes. And they really do work. It works really good. All right, so we have that. Number 2 should have been... the e.l.f. Lash Extender. Okay, so another mascara, but that's fine because you guys know I'm a hashtag natural lash type of girl. This is the worst unboxing that I've ever done. I cannot believe... not the worst, like, as far as products, but, like, I really messed this one. I mean, you've seen, I opened it up. It's still a plastic on it. So I never, like, I didn't open it before the video and, like, see what's in here. I didn't do that. I should have known when I was like, what's going on here? All right, so I've never tried this one. I want to try this too because I like that wand a lot. It bends. I don't like the bendy ones, but I do like this for my bottom. This reminds me of the Thrive, the shape of the Thrive Cosmetics. Okay, so we have that. Number 3 is this, what it should have been, the L'Oreal Glow Lotion. Let's see. Let's do a little swatch. Just a little bit. Oh, that's pretty. It's, you know, I would use it like as a serum, you know, put it on before my foundation. I don't even know what to do. 4 would have been from Physicians Formula. What are you? Butter Glow. Oh, a liquid bronzer. Now, I wish this one was full size instead of 2 full size mascaras because I've been saying I wanted a liquid bronzer because the one I got from Juvia's Place, that's why I hate ordering online. It's like too orangey, you know, for me. So, let's see. Okay, so this has a safety seal. I've never tried any of their liquid products. Of course, I've tried the powder, the famous powdered butter one, but not their cream. Let's see. I just want to see the shade. Oh, that's pretty. It's a little light for me, but I can make that work. Okay. I can actually mix this in with the Juvia's Place one that I have because the other one is just too, I can't do it. Okay, so that's good. All right. At least I get to try. It's enough to try to see if I like the formula. Do you know what I mean? All right, so we did 5. Okay. 6, I don't know what that would have, I think that was the mascara. Okay, so let's do 7. I don't know which one was the 7. Okay, 8. That one is not undone, so let's see what 8 really is. I have, like I said, I have the skincare one coming. I'll definitely make sure that one is correct. Another e.l.f. product. Okay, this is the Power Grip Primer. I don't use this only because it works very, very good. I have tried this before. So if you like full coverage foundation, even medium to full coverage, you put this on and the idea is the foundation sticks to it so it lasts longer. I just wear like either tinted moisturizer, a little concealer. I don't wear really foundation anymore. So that's why I won't wear this. So I'll just gift this to somebody else. But that's nice to have in here. Like, I love e.l.f. products. Okay, 9. Let's see. 9 already was unboxed, so I don't know what that would have been. 10 was already done. Okay, 11. Nothing in there. This is horrible. 12, I think, is the only one, let's see, that I have left. Okay. And so this is from e.l.f. and this is their sunscreen 30 in Sheer Peach Shimmer. So it's a primer and maybe I might wear it since it's a primer too. We'll have to see. I don't want to open it just in case. But that's everything. I shred this to hell. This is the I cannot believe I didn't think maybe it's inside, maybe it's packaging error. Oh my goodness. I am so sorry, guys, but and now I can't even do a thumbnail because look. I mean, I might and I'll just title it like I'll clickbait this thing like worst like this was terrible. But it was my fault, you know? Well, not my fault it came like this, but you know what I mean. All right, let's just recap at least all 12 products. I can't tell you what order they come in, but all 12 products that will be in your advent calendar that's still available. So we have the lip ornament. That's number 5 for sure. We have the Lumify drops, which works. We have the e.l.f. mascara. Never tried this. Let me know if you have. I'm very excited. I hope it's like the Thrive Cosmetics one. We got, where's the other one? Oh, the L'Oreal Mega Volume 1 mascara. We have a full-size lip oil. We have the e.l.f. Halo Glow blush. We have the L'Oreal, what was this again? Oh, the Glow thingamajiggy. This is in medium. We have the Butter Glow Physicians Formula bronzer. We have the e.l.f. primer. And
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, we have this. I don't know what this is. I think this is a phone thing where you stick your phone to it, where it holds your phone, I think. This is 11. Where's the 12th item? Oh my God, I'm so messed up. This is the primer and sunscreen. Am I missing something? No, that's everything. I don't know. I am all over the place. I don't even know where to start. I'm still going to put this up, though, because at least you get to know what is in this advent calendar. Oh, my goodness. I'm so confused. Anyway, please thumbs up this video. It would really help me out. Make sure you leave a comment. Commenting really helps out with engagement, even if it's just an emoji. Share this video if you think somebody would get a laugh. Hype the video. Hyping really helps me out. The more hypes that you get, YouTube will promote this video. Check out my vlog channel, Just Anne's World. And I think that's about everything. I'm getting the heck off of here. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy. And most importantly, always stay you. Never let somebody take you out of your character. Do as I say, not as I do. Bye, guys. What am I missing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. What am I? Oh, the nail polish. The nail polish, 12. Okay, bye.